In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budgeting. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and open the workspace where you want to manage your budget. Once you're inside the correct workspace, look for the plus button beside the workspace name. Click that to create a new board specifically for budgeting. When prompted, enter a clear name for your budgeting board. Choose something simple and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple boards for different teams or projects. Once the board is created, you can begin setting it up to track your budget in a structured way. Start by adding items that will represent the parts of your budget you want to monitor. These could be budget categories, departments, projects, or different expense types, depending on how your organization handles financial planning. In the first column, enter the category name for each item, so every row has a clear label. Next, add a numbers column for budgeted amounts. This is where you'll enter the planned amount for each category. Then add a second numbers column for actual amounts so you can compare what you expected to spend or earn with what has really happened. This side-by-side setup makes it much easier to track performance at a glance. After that, add a status column to track budget progress or approval status. This can help you quickly see whether a budget line is approved, pending, on track, or needs attention. Then add a date column to keep track of budget periods or transaction dates. This is especially useful if you review your budget monthly, quarterly, or by individual transaction timing. If your budgeting process requires more detail, add any additional columns you need. For example, you might want space for notes, owners, or reference details. The goal is to make the board fit your workflow without making it overly complicated. Once your structure is ready, enter your budget data into the board. As expenses or income are recorded over time, update the actual amounts so the information stays accurate. Keeping this current is one of the most important parts of using Monday.com effectively for budgeting. To make analysis easier, use the filter feature to view specific budget categories when needed. You can also use Group By to organize records by department, category, or status, which helps you review your data from different angles. Finally, review the budgeted and actual amounts directly from the board and update it regularly as financial data changes. A well-maintained board gives you a clear, ongoing picture of your budget and helps support better financial decisions. Thanks for watching.